How to add product categories in Wix. I am going to add a product category in my Wix store. The way I'm going to do this, I'm going to go to store products, and then I want to go to categories. And inside categories, I'm just going to click plus new category. And here I want to name it and then I want to write a header description. And then I want to, you don't need to do it, but I'm going to do it, add a category image. And I want to add this one. And then add to page. And then I want to click save. And this is how you add a product category in Wix. Thanks for watching, subscribe.